Today we're making pumpkin spice creamer. Come on in, welcome to my home. I don't know where you are, but where I am, it is unbearably hot. And I mean unbearably hot right now. So I am making something which is going to be sort of fun to use in different ways. I'm making a pumpkin spice creamer. Now, you're saying, well, what's so big about pumpkin spice creamer? This is non-dairy. This is using our basic premise of the oat milk. If you want to learn how to make oat milk, just click that eye in the sky. It'll teach you how to make oat milk, or you can pretty much follow this one. Just leave out the pumpkin spice. You can make your own pumpkin spice, or you can buy pumpkin spice. Now, if you want to learn how to make your own pumpkin spice, just click that eye in the sky. It'll teach you how to make pumpkin spice, or like I said, go out and buy your own. Well, last night I started early. I combined 1 cup of steel-cut oats with 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. Now, my steel-cut oats, of course, were rinsed, and then they were put into a jar with the pumpkin pie spice, and I also stirred it occasionally. I let this sit overnight covered. Then today, as you just saw, I removed the cover, and now I'm going to take the pumpkin pie spice and steel-cut oat mixture and rinse it. Now, after I've rinsed this, and a lot of you are saying, well, you probably rinsed all the flavor away. Don't worry, we're going to add more flavor back. I'm going to put this into my blender. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice and 3 cups of water. Now the easy part. Blend away. Now the part that I hope I can do without spilling tons of this. I have a fine mesh strainer and a huge funnel, because I know me, I'm sort of messy. I'm going to pour this into my fine mesh strainer. Make sure that you get all of that goodness. There's a lot of liquid left in the strainer, so I just make sure that I scrape. Be careful that you don't get your steel-cut oats down in there. And yeah, you're going to get some of the steel-cut oats like grit in there, but that's okay. When all that you have left is a paste, you can go ahead and remove your strainer. I'm going to add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. I'm using fine salt. You can use whatever kind of table salt you have. And about 1.5 tablespoons of maple syrup. All right, now comes the easy part. We're going to give this a shake. All right, let's give this a taste. It really is good. That is like, I mean, it is definitely pumpkin pie spice. You can taste the pumpkin pie spice. It's not overwhelming. It doesn't smack you in the face. It has the nice consistency of a creamer. You could then use this in coffee. You can use this in just about anything. It's slightly sweet because of the maple sugar, because of the maple syrup, but it is so good. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. Now, if you are wondering,
what could I possibly do with this?
Well, you're going to have to wait. I have this really cool recipe coming up for Halloween that you can use this for. This will keep in your refrigerator for a few days. Remember, there is like nothing in this which is really perishable. The oats, the spices, just keep it in your refrigerator. I've never kept this longer than a week because I use it all the time, but this is so good. Let me know how you make it and how you think it came out, and I hope I get to see you again next time with another recipe for it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.